Biscuit Processing by PMG Engineering. Biscuits derived from twice-baked bread are a staple in the snack world. They're not just a treat, they're a testament to the evolution of baking, from tarts to gingerbread. With a simple base of flour, these baked goods transform into a myriad of forms, from the humble cracker to the indulgent macaroon. Ingredients and varieties. The biscuits' journey begins with flour, the cornerstone ingredient, which dictates the texture and crispness. Wholemeal wheat flour births the classic digestive, while oatmeal forms the hearty oatmeal biscuit. Fats like butter and lard introduce richness, and sugars in various forms add sweetness and complexity. Not to forget, aerating agents like baking powder ensure a light, airy bite, and flavorings from chocolate to spices infuse each biscuit with its unique character. The art of biscuit making is a dance of precision and speed. It starts with pre-mixing, where the order and temperature of ingredients set the stage. Then, mixing transforms them into dough, with the texture varying from soft for cookies to hard for crackers. Molding shapes the dough, baking perfects it, and sandwiching adds a creamy heart to some. Finally, packing sends these delights on their journey to us. Each step, from the mixer to the traveling oven, is a step towards creating the perfect bite, enjoyed by all, anytime.